Navigating the Cisco Meraki ecosystem. In this video, we will delve into the features, benefits, and ways in which businesses can leverage the power of Cisco Meraki for seamless network management. What is Cisco Meraki? Cisco Meraki is a cloud-managed company that offers a wide range of networking solutions for businesses of all sizes. From wireless access points and security cameras to switches and security appliances, Cisco Meraki provides a holistic approach to network management. Features of Cisco Meraki: centralized management, cloud-based architecture. Centralized management. One of the key features of the Cisco Meraki ecosystem is its centralized management platform. This allows businesses to configure, monitor, and troubleshoot their entire network infrastructure from a single dashboard. Cloud-based architecture. Cisco Meraki operates on a cloud-based architecture, eliminating the need for on-premise hardware and manual software updates. This ensures that businesses always have access to the latest features and security patches without any downtime. Benefits of Cisco Meraki: easy deployment. Deploying Cisco Meraki devices is a breeze, thanks to the plug-and-play functionality and zero-touch provisioning. Enhanced security. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, and Cisco Meraki offers robust security features to protect business data and devices. Scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a multinational corporation, Cisco Meraki can scale to meet your growing network needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, project management is a critical function in any organization, and obtaining a project management certification can help you demonstrate your expertise and advance your career.